Hello and welcome to the Exodus channel, your home for Exodus tutorials and the best crypto videos. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and we will keep the videos coming. Exodus is delighted to announce the public trading of Exodus shares directly from inside your wallet in connection with tZERO, the global leader in blockchain technology for capital markets. This video will teach you how to sign up and link a tZERO account to your Exodus mobile and desktop wallets, which will enable you to trade Exodus shares as soon as trading goes live. Exodus shares are available in all US states and international markets. Now, before we get started, you must first have an account with our transfer agent, Securitize. If you do not yet have a Securitize ID, you can register for one on the investor profile page of the Shares app. Click the link above for a video walkthrough of this process. If you already have a Securitize ID linked to Exodus, you're ready. Let's get started. Open the Shares app in your Exodus desktop wallet. If you purchase Exodus shares during the Regulation 8 offering, you can now claim your exit tokens by clicking the Claim Exit button. This process allows the minting of exit tokens on the Algorand blockchain and will be received in your Exodus wallet within 3 business days. Exit tokens act as a digital representation of the Exodus shares. To trade or buy exit tokens, register with tZERO inside of Exodus and buy Exodus shares. The Exodus shares will show up in your tZERO account. Click on Register to Trade and then click the Start My Account button on the tZERO screen. Once your registration is complete, it will take about 72 hours for it to become active. You will receive an email from tZERO with instructions to create a password and finalize your account. Sign in and verify your account with multi-factor authentication. You can use SMS or Google Authenticator for this. We recommend Google Authenticator. Review the information on your application, verify everything is correct, then click Save and Continue. Once everything is approved, you will see the Exodus shares in your tZERO portfolio and your exit tokens inside your Exodus wallet. The process is the same on Exodus Mobile. Tap the profile button in the bottom right hand corner and then tap Exodus Public Offering. If necessary, link your investor profile and then tap Trade Exit. When you see the tZERO screen, tap Start My Account. This will then lead you to the same tZERO registration process as we covered earlier in the video. Congratulations and welcome to the Exodus family.